In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw money from Quotex safely and quickly. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then on the top right corner, click the withdrawal section. This is where you manage all your withdrawals. Before you can withdraw money from your balance to your bank account or electronic purchase, you might want to make a small deposit because you can't withdraw any money if you don't have any balance, right? So make a small or minimal deposit. Let's say, for example, you can choose any of the following popular deposit method like an ePay or e-wallet, your local bank, or crypto. For example, we are going to choose a local bank, click the maybe Visa and MasterCard. Just provide all the information needed and follow the on-screen instructions. Once you have enough funds, you can now withdraw any money that you have here. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it's within the available balance and meets the minimum withdrawal requirements. After entering your details, double check everything, then click withdraw. You might need to verify your identity if it's your first withdrawal, so have your documents ready. Once submitted, your withdrawal will be processed. Bank transfers can take a few business days, while e-wallets or crypto are usually faster. And of course, you will receive a notification once your funds are sent. But if you are having issues or encountered any problems withdrawing your funds here in Quotex, all you have to do is hover to the bottom left corner where you can see the help section. This will forward you to the customer support. Click the contact customer support. Select the subject. For example, it's about withdrawal, and choose your situation. Or if you want, click the other issue so that you can better explain your situation, because the contact support will review your situation and provide technical support on how to potentially fix them. But basically, that's it for today's video on how to withdraw money from Quotex. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.